Go ahead and get all your clients who aren't yet using Inbox Pro set up with the new integration so that they can connect and message with their customers on Google Business Messages, Facebook Messenger, and email, with Instagram coming soon. Once they've experienced the power and convenience of centralized customer communication, you'll be hard-pressed to pry business app and your services from their hands. Experiencing more of the benefits of Inbox will also help you make the case for upgrading to Inbox Pro with Vendasta's powerful AI-assisted web chat lead capture and SMS communication. To further help your clients understand the incredible value of AI web chat, users of Inbox Standard can see a settings card for web chat on My Listing that promotes the feature and encourages them to upgrade to Inbox Pro. You can even demo web chat for them from My Listing. Customize the widget's coloring to each client's branding and add custom knowledge so that the demo widget looks and behaves exactly as it would for that particular business once they've activated Inbox Pro.